this problem is related to the line is inclined to both the reference planes. Okay, then theta plus pi equal to 90 condition. Okay, so theta, already you know that theta means true inclination with the HP, pi means true inclination with the VP. Okay, so read the question, see the question. A 100 mm long line AB has its end A 10 mm above the HP and 70 mm in front of the VP. The line is inclined at 60 degrees to the HP and 30 degrees to the VP. Draw its projections. Okay, this is the question. 100 mm long line AB has its A. Okay, the length of line is 100 mm, that means true length of the line is 100 and the point A is 10 mm above the HP. Okay, yes, so please see the procedure how to draw the this line. So first of all, so whenever going to draw this type of problems, you need to check the conditions, then theta plus pi equal to 90 or not. Okay, see here, so in this case two angles given, 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay, so this 60 degrees is the theta and this 30 degrees is the pi. Then theta plus pi equal how much? 90. Okay, so then theta plus pi equal 90. On that cases, please see the procedure how to draw a inclined line. Okay, so how to draw the projection of this line, 100 mm long line. Okay, so draw first of all reference line in manual and in AutoCAD software. Okay, for both the cases draw one horizontal line. Okay, so that is the xy, this is the reference line. Okay, so this is the x and this is the y. So after that, see here, the end point A is 10 mm above the HP, so 10 mm above the HP, so draw 10 mm line above reference line. Okay, by using line command, okay, you see here, so 10 mm, so enter or type 10, press enter. Okay, again press enter. Okay, again press enter. Okay, in manual drawing, so take 10 mm by using drafter and draw the 10 mm above reference line. Okay, so after that, see here, 10 mm above the HP is the completed and 70 mm in front of the VP. Already you know that. Okay, so in front of VP, so at that condition, so take below reference line. If you have any doubts, okay, so way to draw 70 mm line and 10 mm line, so please see the previous videos. Okay, so please see the concept of points also. Okay, yes, next take a line command, L, enter. This is the shortcut of line. Okay, so type 70 mm. Okay, in front of VP. So already points concept completed and lines also completed, so please see the previous video if you have any doubts. Okay, the next one is, this is the 10 mm and this one is the 70 mm completed. After that, line is inclined 60 degrees to the HP. Line is 60 degrees to the HP. Okay, so before going to draw the 60 degrees line, you should represent with notations. Okay, text, type text. Okay, the next, now I am taking 6. Okay, then this one is the A dash, this one is the A dash, front view of this point, this one is the A. Okay, so this one is the A. So see here, this one is the this is the X and this is the Y reference line. This is the X and this is the Y reference line. Okay, so draw a line, okay, 60 degrees to the HP. Draw a 100 mm long line 60 degrees to the HP. Okay, so way to draw this 60 degrees, okay, from A dash, okay, let's take a line command. This is the starting point. Okay, so before going to draw the inclined lines, please turn off the ortho mode. Okay, so in manual drawing, okay, so measure the 60 degrees by using protractor. Okay, and draw the 100 mm long line. Type 100 and the angle is 60. Then this one is completed. Okay, angle of this line is 60. Okay, next one is and 30 degrees to the VP. So draw 30 degrees at point A, 30 degrees at point A by using line command. Okay, in manual drawing, okay, so use protractor for angles. Okay, 100 mm. So this is a very important point. So this is a very important point. So theta plus pi equal to 90. So on that cases, okay, so take this inclined line upward direction like this. Don't take this downward direction. Okay, so this is for theta plus pi less than 90, and this is for theta plus pi equal to 90 condition. This is a very important. So type 100. Okay, then the angle of this line is 30. 1 minute. So erase this one, take a line command. Okay, the length of this line is 100, angle of this line is 30 degrees. Okay, this is a very important condition. So case 1 is the theta plus pi less than 90, this is the theta plus pi equal to 90. So on that case, so draw this inclined line like this. Okay, so don't draw downward direction for theta plus pi equal to 90. So already you know that angle 60 plus 30 equal to 90, so that draw like this. Okay, yes. After that, so draw horizontal lines from A dash, horizontal line from A dash, okay, as well as from A point. Okay, in manual drawing also, okay. Then properties, now I am taking so different color. Okay, so in manual drawing also draw horizontal lines from A dash and A. So after that, so draw a locus lines end line from this point like this. Okay, in AutoCAD software and in manual drawing also, okay. So see here, so after completion of this one, so draw a vertical lines. So please see the procedure how to draw a vertical lines. So before going to draw the vertical lines, okay, so give the notations compulsory. This is the A dash and this one is the B1 dash. So by using text command, now I am taking this is the B1 dash. Okay, so this is the B1 dash, and this one is the B2. Now I am taking this is the B2. Okay, so this is the B2. So after completion of this one, so draw vertical lines or extend the so B2 and B1 dash, extend or projection. Okay, so like this, draw a projection lines from B1 dash to up to A line like this, B1 dash to up to A line like this, in manual drawing as well as in AutoCAD software also. Okay, so again, so extend or project the line from B2 point up to A dash line, in manual drawing, so as well as in AutoCAD software also. Okay, so after completion of this one, so take a circle. Okay, so take A dash B2, this is the B2 dash. Okay, so take A dash B2 dash radius, A dash as a center, and draw a circle like this, okay. So after that, okay, so trim or erase the unnecessary portions by using trim command in AutoCAD software. Okay, yes, enter, yes, trim the unnecessary portions like this, okay. So but in manual drawing, so take A dash, so this is the B2 dash, take A dash B2 dash radius and draw the arc directly by using compass. But in AutoCAD software, so take A dash B2 dash radius and draw the circle. After that, erase the unnecessary portion. Okay, yes. After completion of this one, so take a line command and join from here to here. This is the intersection point. Okay, so this is the front view of a line. Okay, so then next, now I am taking different color for bottom portion. for bottom portion. Okay, so then see text. Now I am taking text. Yes, this one is the B2 dash. Okay, next this one is the B1. This one is the B1. Okay, projection of the B1 dash. Okay, so after completion of this one, so again take a circle. Okay, so then take a B1 radius, A as a center, and draw the circle like this. Okay, yes, please remove the unnecessary portions by using trim command, but in manual drawing, so take a B1 radius and draw the arc like this. Okay, so remove the unnecessary portions like this. Okay, completed. So after that, so draw a line. 1 minute. After that, draw a line from here to here like this. See, then see the screen carefully. Draw a line from here to here like this. This is the top view of this line. This is the top view of this line. Okay, text. Yes, this point is the B dash. This point is the B dash. Okay, so this is the this point is the B, and this point is the B dash. This point is the B dash. Okay, so this point is the B dash. The angle between all these two lines is 60 already given, and this angle between these two lines is 30 already given. Okay, so this is the complete procedure. This is the complete procedure. Okay, so this one also very important question. Okay, so this question is related to theta plus pi equal to 90. Theta plus pi equal to 90. Okay, yes, angular dimension. Okay, so then measure the angle between these two is 60, and again measure the angle between these two lines is 30 degrees. Then 630, and this is the 60. Okay, this dimension. So this is the procedure for how to increase the size of the dimension. Now I am taking text. The text height is, now I am taking 6. This is the symbol and arrow. Now I am taking 3. Then OK, set current, then close. Okay, then delete this one and delete this one. Dimension angular DIM. Select these two lines. Angle is 60, and again select these two lines is 30. Okay, 60 and 30 degrees. Clear? This is a very important question. A dimension aligned system. Dimension aligned system. Okay, clear? So this is the true length. This one and this one is the true length, and this is the front view of this line. This is the top view of this line. Clear?